Today we are here to visit the client's automated production line. You can see that the machines for this customer are very dense. The number of machines is very large. Site planning and production have been perfect. But there are still very headaches. It's a headache to replenish cutting fluid every day. You can see that the employees on site still use carts to replenish water every day. A machine needs to be replenished with water 2 to 3 times a day. 1 to 2 barrels of 5-gallon cutting fluid need to be added each time. Let's help with timing. The traditional way of replenishing water is to fill water in an oil drum. A machine requires about 2 5-gallon barrels of mixed cutting fluid. After installing the cutting fluid, you have to work hard to push it into the machine. You can see that there are a lot of machines. When you reach the machine, lift it and pour it into the sink. This action needs to be repeated many times. It also takes a lot of time. You can see that we spent more than 2 minutes on one machine. At this time, HC Fong is here to help you solve it. Our auto coolant refill system can improve this problem professionally. As long as the water inlet pipe and outlet pipe are installed, it can be solved perfectly. The top water will go through 3 filters. Make sure your incoming water doesn't have too many impurities. Then it goes to an Italian mixing pump to mix it to the concentration you need. The mixed water is then stored in our temporary storage tank. We have individual switches for each function. We also installed a liquid level detection sensor on the oil drum. The purpose of this is to ensure that there is still liquid in the oil barrel. After the machine is positioned, we can choose 2 ways to replenish water. The first way we can choose is to refill the coolant manually. In the second way, we directly connect it to our machine through the water outlet pipe. After the water pipe is connected, our constant pressure motor will continuously supply water to the water pipe. This customer chose the manual valve method to refill water. It is very convenient to operate. Just turn on the water valve switch. The machine's motor will send water to your machine. Replenish to the height of your sink and close. It is very convenient and efficient for factories with a large number of machines. HC Fong is always your solution.